Right, my people, today I'm going to show you how to make an easy high protein breakfast, so come with me. So we're going to get some eggs. We're going to get 5 eggs, as you can see here. We're going to whip it up into a bowl. There we have it, it's in the bowl. We're going to whip this up. Right, so guys, I've whipped up the eggs now, as you can see. And obviously we want to add some flavour to our food so we like it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some chili powder and I'm going to add some pink Himalayan salt because it's generally healthier than normal salt, so let's do it. As you can see, you've got the mixture in now. I like cooking this with butter. I'm not really a fan of oil, so I'm going to put 2 sides of butter in there. And butter gives the whole thing just a nice buttery taste, you know, you can't complain. So let's slap this on. 1, 2. And now for my favourite bit, we're just going to put the mixture in. There we have it, cooked eggs. Simple as that. We've made it now, let's dash this on a plate. So now guys, we're going to have some milk in our meal. I'm going to pour a glass of milk right now and I'm going to show you lot. And quickly, this video is sponsored by... This video is not sponsored by anyone because you lot don't subscribe, so subscribe, man. What we're gonna have with our eggs is a scoop of yogurt and I'm gonna sprinkle some nuts on there. Not those type of nuts. You lot might be thinking this is a bit weird, but you need to try this combo. And I'm gonna be sprinkling some walnuts and some pistachios on my food. So let's do that right now. Got it salt-based style, yeah.
What?
Just a very simple, healthy meal. You know, we've got some eggs, walnuts, pistachios, a glass of milk. Very high in protein, good in fats, and generally just healthy. These are which I like to call whole foods, you know. These are healthy foods, natural foods. We're not really trying to eat too unhealthy. Some of you might be thinking, where are your carbs? Well, we don't always have to have carbs with every meal. This is just a high protein, quick breakfast for you lot. This took no longer than 10 minutes to make. It's a nice mixture of flavors. You know, as a bodybuilder, why wouldn't you want to eat something like this? I'm gonna put all the macros and protein, all that garbage at the end of the video. But yeah, man, that was a quick high protein breakfast. I'm gonna start a little series called Making High Protein Breakfasts. There's gonna be in a playlist like this one, so keep in touch with that. And yeah, man, let's devour this meal in a bit.